Hello guys, I'm Afreen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Afreen's Cooking Paradise. Today we are going to make a keema fry. Before starting a video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Today we are going to make keema fry. Let's get started. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 medium size onions, fry it for 1 minute. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After mixing, add 1 medium sized tomato. Cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it well. And add 250 gram of mashed mutton. After mixing, add 1 to 2 cups of water. Cook it for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. And add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coriander. Mix it well. And it's ready to serve. Take it out in a plate. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.